Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create Roblox and Infinite Craft. So in order to do that, let's put in here Earth, and then let's add in here Wind. Now we have Dust, add another Earth, we have Planet, let's add in here another Fire, now we have Sun, let's add another Fire, now we have Solar, then add another Planet, now we have System, and then put Fire on that, now we have Computer. Let's add in here System, now we have Software, and then Earth. Now we have Game, another Computer for that, we have Gamer. Then put in here Earth and Water, we have Plant. And then let's add in here Wind, now we have Dandelion, add another plant right here. Then add another plant again, now we have Tree, merge that with Dandelion, we have Bush. So let's add another tree for that, we have Money, so put that aside and add in here Dandelion and another plant. Now we have Weed, another Dandelion again to have Marijuana, and then merge that with Money, now we have Business. So add another business for that, we have Corporation, and merge that with Gamer, we have here Microtransaction. Add another Game, we have Pay to Win. So put it aside for now. Then let's put in here Fire and with Water, with Steam, and then add another Fire with Engine, and then add Dust for that. Now we have in here Vacuum. So in here, since we have Vacuum, next thing we need to do is we need to head over and put this aside for now, and then for now let's add Engine with another Dust and another Dust. Now we have here the Sun. Now since we have the Sun right here, next thing is merge that Sun with Engine, we'd have Sandbox, add in here a Planet, now we have Minecraft, then add Pay to Win right here, now we have Roblox. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!